Understanding the Lightning Connector. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a term that's quite common in the world of technology, especially if you're an Apple product user. We're talking about the Lightning Connector. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it is, its uses, and why it's important. So, let's dive right in and shed some light on this fascinating topic. The Lightning Connector is a type of connection technology developed by Apple Inc. It's a small, yet powerful interface used to connect Apple mobile devices, like iPhones, iPads, and iPods, to host computers, chargers, cameras, speakers, and other peripherals. Introduced in 2012, it replaced the older 30-pin dock connector. The Lightning Connector is known for its compact size and reversible design, which means you can insert it into your device in any direction. A big leap forward in convenience. One of the key advantages of the Lightning Connector is its speed. It offers faster data transfer and charging compared to its predecessors. This is especially beneficial when you're in a hurry to charge your device or when you need to transfer files quickly. Moreover, its durability and reversible design not only make it user-friendly but also help reduce wear and tear on the port of your device. In recent years, there's been a lot of discussion about the Lightning Connector and USB-C. While the Lightning Connector is exclusive to Apple devices, USB-C is becoming a universal standard for many electronic devices across different brands. The main differences lie in their design, compatibility, and functionality. USB-C generally supports faster data transfer rates and charging speeds. However, the Lightning Connector remains popular among Apple users for its simplicity and reliability. The Lightning Connector is an essential part of the Apple ecosystem, providing a convenient and efficient way to charge devices and transfer data. Whether you're a new Apple user or just curious about the technology, understanding the Lightning Connector can enhance your usage experience. We hope this video has illuminated the topic for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos on English language learning. See you next time.